Assalamu alaikum listeners. Thank you very much that you people have subscribed to this channel. I'm really very grateful to you for this kind act. Today the topic we are going to discuss, that is a totally different topic, and you must be aware of it, that US troops are withdrawing from Afghanistan, and this is the biggest thing because USA troops have been stationed in Afghanistan for fairly long period of time, and it was consisting of 2 decades. Like they came here in year 2000 and now they are withdrawing after 20 years. It's such a long period of time in which the history of any nation can be changed. And during they were staying there and during they were stationed here in Afghanistan, no development took place in Afghanistan. Rather, instead of making that progress, rather instead of making the development, they were getting behind because there was no development, there was no progress, no industrial development was took place. And if USA want to make the change in the life of the people of Afghanistan, if they want to change the culture of Afghanistan, if they want to change the custom and the attitude of the Afghanis, it was a duty of USA to make the progress in this region. But instead of doing so, they have been indulging in the war and they have been indulging in the destruction, and they did massive destruction in Afghanistan, and that was extremely massive destruction of Afghanistan during this period of time. And American troops were not alone in Afghanistan. Rather, there were alliance countries that like NATO. Number of the countries were along with USA, and the whole NATO troops were working here in Afghanistan to jeopardize the resources of Afghanistan, to kill and assassinate the Taliban leaders. And they have killed and assassinated number of the leadership of Taliban, but they didn't get success in it. And ultimately, after the 21 years of the lifespan, now Americans have decided to get back and withdraw their troops because they were a complete failure during this period of time. Their technology couldn't uh, bring them to the level of the success. They didn't get success. Rather, they are defeated and they are forcefully pushed back by the Taliban because Taliban were so much determined. It was their homeland, and suddenly you must have got to know about it that couple of days back, a week time back, Americans decided to withdraw their troops instantly, and they made such a quick decision to leave the territory of Afghanistan that they evacuated the airport of Bagram overnight, and they even didn't let the Afghan army know about it, that about their decision. And the general of the Afghan army, he got to know through the media that Americans are leaving their territory, and he was surprised and he was flabbergasted on their decision, why they are making so much quick decision, why they are leaving Afghanistan with the instant decision, though it was under the pipeline, and they have decided that they would be evacuating the land and they would be leaving the region by September 2021. But instead of leaving after 2 months, they make a quick decision, they make a sudden decision to leave this territory. And that was because they were seeing that they are clearly defeated, they are badly defeated. Even with their alliance, USA was the superpower of the world. USA is a very much developed country with the latest equipment, with the latest gadgets, with the latest devices, with the latest ammunition, with the latest air transportation, and with the latest all the war equipments and the latest technology. But even then, with the help of the rest of the countries, of USA couldn't get success in Afghanistan, and there were number of reasons in it. You must have heard about the US military forces. Their morale was so down. Their morale dropped down. They were so much surprised. They were so much horrified. They were so much terrified from the Taliban. That Taliban the local forces, the local community, they are coming and they are conquering like and it has remind us the history when Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, conquered Makkah. They have repeated the examples. And when we look at the Afghan military forces were alliance with the US troops, they were alliance with the Ashraf Ghani government. But instead of supporting the Ashraf Ghani and instead of supporting to the US military forces, Afghan military forces started surrendering. This was the biggest drawback of it. Like military forces started surrendering in front of the Taliban forces, and they said that they sent various messages to the Taliban that we are not willing to fight against you because we are not being getting with the salaries. Our children are dying with hunger because salaries are not being paid to us. And this was a biggest slap. This is the biggest thing on the face of the superpower, and this is like they have been giving the US aid to Ashraf Ghani, but instead of spending all those resources and instead of spending all that US aid on the local population and on their development and on the progress, they did corruption and they didn't make any development, they didn't establish any schools. And Taliban were surprisingly showing their attitude on the trends of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, the way he forgave everyone on the conquest of the Makkah. And while Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was treating with the enemies after every battlefield, because Afghanistan is in the situation of a war from last 20 years, and whenever one country is in the war situation for 1 year, they cannot tolerate it because all the resources can be finished, all their funds can be finished. But Taliban were fighting single-handedly, and they were fighting with their determination, with their devotion, with their courage. And this was the greatest example of the Taliban's courage, because they were unarmed, they were not having the latest equipment. And whenever they started conquering various regions and the several provinces of Afghanistan, because Afghanistan is the biggest territory, and whenever they are conquering, they started forgiving to their enemies. And whenever the army is surrendering, they said that you are in a peace. If you don't want to fight against us, you are in a peace, we will forgive you, you can come with our alliance. And they Taliban have started distributing food, Taliban have started distributing several other things to all the needy people, and even to the military, Afghan military, which have been fighting against the Taliban for 20 years and for a fairly long period of time. This is the best example given by them. And now the Taliban have changed their strategy. They are thinking that all the educational institution will run with the same pace, because they said that they are not against the women education. They want that Afghanistan must make progress. They want that Afghanistan need scientists, Afghanistan need engineers, because Afghanistan is facing insufficient of the funds. There are no funds in the Afghanistan. There is no money in the treasury of Afghanistan when the Taliban are getting it and they are getting back their nation. They have made the treaties and the agreement on the basis of on the basis of the fundamental rules of Islam. And this is a great achievement of the Taliban, because they never lose hope. They have been fighting against the superpower, and they have been steadfastly moving ahead. And now it's the fruit for the local population that their country is free now. Their country is in their hand. They can live with the way they want to live, because no one was feeling secure whenever the NATO forces were there, because there were always arms, there were always troops moving around, and they were looking for the Taliban leaders, and they were creating the terror. And even it was having a great pressure on the life of the children, that always there are some American soldiers and the NATO forces uh, who are in search of their prey, and they are always in the search of their targets, that they want to kill the true and the patriotic leaders from local population. So Taliban and the Afghani people have faced immense pressure for such a long period of time. It's not speaking merely of the words, rather, they have proved it, and they showed great patience during this period of time, and their sacrifices are greater. Whenever we look at the policy of the USA, what was the policy of USA behind it? Because they thought that they will come here, Taliban, their views were totally different. And whenever we look at the foreign media, they also themselves are saying that they are extremely surprised to see the attitude of Taliban, because now Taliban are taking the selfies, and they are taking the photographs from what they have captured from the USA troops, because they have captured number of the vehicles from which USA left here, and they have captured so much booty, and they are taking the selfies, they are posting it, and it is always there on the social networking sites. And people are surprised to see in the foreign world that how Talibans are taking the photographs, because Taliban never take the photographs. They are very conservative people, they always kill the people. And whenever they saw that the Taliban are making the agreement with their own forces, and they have started distributing the food, everyone is in the West is surprised. Everyone is surprised that they are very cruel, but actually they are not that cruel. They have imposed a true Islamic rule and the uh, Islamic Sharia in Afghanistan. So they are making every other day treaty, and there is Afghanistan. They are also they said it clearly that they want to establish various stadiums in Afghanistan, because there is one cricket team in Afghanistan, and they want to continue with it. They said that we want to go in the limelight in the world. When the world is making progress, we also want to make progress. We want to make money from our reservoirs, because Afghanistan is filled with so much natural resources. There is gas, there is a number of other natural resources, and they are looking for the scientists, they are looking for the engineers, because they don't have engineers and the scientists, because they couldn't make progress during last 20 years, and it was an imposed war on Afghanis. So they say that if we want to earn the foreign exchange, their currency is also on the very lowest rate. They are seeking the help from the other countries, like the developed countries, in from their neighboring countries. They are seeking help from China, that do send us engineers, do send us doctors, do send us research archaeologists, so we would be able to dig the things from our own land, and we would be able to earn the handsome foreign exchange with it. And this is the biggest thing. This shows that Taliban are with the clear mindset, they are with the clear progressive attitude, because they want to make progress from their own resources. And secondly, they have clearly said it that they want to continue with our cricket team, because Afghanistan's cricket team is always there, which was participating at the international tournaments. They said that we are not going to ban our cricket team. Rather, they want to establish the football stadiums, they want to establish the football team, they want to establish some other sports teams which will context with the rest of the world, because they are full of the talent. But it was the imposed war on them, and we really feel sorry for the Muslim country, which was jeopardized by the foreign country. And I would like to mention here, like whenever they left airport, the US troops and the NATO forces left their various vehicles and the other ammunitions which was not the use of Afghanis, because they have taken their important things with them and important belongings with them, which was used for the spying mission. But uh, they left only vehicles here for Afghanis, and Afghanis are very happy to capture all those booty, and they are extremely happy to capture the things like vehicles and the ammunitions and some other things, and they would be making use of it positively, and they will be making use of it a very progressively, because they got with no resources, they got with no other things left in their own dear homeland. And this region is getting extremely importance at the international level, because Afghanistan is not a small territory. Afghanistan is the biggest territory. Their land is barren. Their land is very hard. They are facing hardships during these 20 years because there was no proper transportation system. There no development was made in the medical field. There no development was made in educational field. No development was made in engineering field. And they were sent back to the Stone Age. And the foreign invaders, whenever they came here, they fulfilled their own uh, motives. They were behind some other motives, because basically they were on the spying mission of the neighboring countries, and they were using that land for doing the terrorist activities. And India has used it, and India was sending their raw agents in Afghanistan, and they were using this route as a route of Afghanistan. Then they were sending their raw agents through KPK, and then the raw agents were entering in Pakistan. Now it's a big slap on the face of the raw agents who were entering and using that route, because India is extremely worried, and India is in extremely anxiety at this situation. When Taliban will capture all the area, when Taliban will be overcoming, how they would be involved in their negative activities, they wouldn't be able to send their terrorists through this route. So this strategical changes, this withdrawal of the US forces from Afghanistan will be having great impact on the Pakistan politics, and it would have a great impact on the economy of the Pakistan as well, because if Taliban are capturing whole Afghanistan, there will be complete peace, and Taliban are giving every day and night, they are giving their policies, they are making the agreements with the various troops, and they are also making the agreements with the Afghan military forces, and they want to make progress. They are making contact with the neighboring countries, they are making contact with the helpful countries, that how they can make the progress, like they have contacted the China, like how China can help them out in this scenario, and how they can make progress, and how they can get benefit from their own natural resources, because they want to make progress, they want to make money, they want to strengthen their economy. And this is a very positive mental approach, this is a very happy approach, and this is a very pleasant approach on the part of the Taliban, that they want to make progress. And I hope this is enough for today. I will be keep updating you on the latest situation of Afghanistan, because Afghanistan is a Muslim country, and Afghanistan is also a neighboring country to Pakistan. If changes occur in Afghanistan, it will have direct influence, and it will have direct influence on political situation and the strategical situation of Pakistan. That's why it's the changes occurring in Afghanistan are very much important, and everyone is keeping a view on the withdrawal of the US troops, and USA is really very much confused at this situation. They don't know what policy to make and what to do and what not to do, because their number of the troops got handicapped, their number of the troops are paralyzed, and they are suffering from the post-traumatic stress disorder. After the trauma is over, they are living on the pension life. Their organs are removed because of fighting this war, and they, there is a big chaos in USA. Why USA and the NATO forces got defeat after 20 years struggle? Why they are badly defeated, and they are mm, withdrawing their troops with the defeat instead of getting success, instead of winning the battle? Why the Taliban are succeeded, and they are pushing the US forces, and they are pushing the local Afghani government? Ashraf Ghani's government is defeated badly. So there is a fruit for Taliban have waited, and this is the fruit of their hardships what they have faced. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.